is that Bill?
Hey, nani bea. Do the blood copte. Tani bea. Tale bill ne kewda parga milana.
Yeah.
Me. Do kwele klwak la. Yeah.
Do you remember me from school?
Ne to no yamba dia. Le choni mo. Do you remember me from school?
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
You thought me ba. You to no na baba. I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
Did we study together?
Pemalo bata te puhua. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too.
Me, pe omba chốt te plo di so so lo. Do ta le sim door ne ke ra di so chốt plo kho. Ta lo te pu kho, ta lo te wo kho, cha ne po na. Do akwe we da. Yes, and we live in same door too.
Really?
Me really?
What floor did you live on?
Na ula pek trele. What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
Ye ula quick tre. Na ula nui tre la. I live on the 9th floor. You live on the 7th floor.
That's right.
Tani me la. That's right.
How did you know?
Na thinya on di le. How do you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
Ye tina le elevator apu the blah la. Do tale elevator ne keweda di so se le cho lo ta tu na cho lo pa nya chu da pa ku da pa la na do pia ko le delicana do akwe da le kalwa klo di na. I'll see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
Ye thought me ba ye tu no na ta baba. I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Rila, Dani, le apu kuit blue ni li. It's alright. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again.
Rila, di le ge ni. Takula tilo ko do ta bla la. Well, anyway, nice to meet you again.
Monica.
Monica. Do ta le Monica ne akamnya mi weda ta pom mi dengan ni na. Ta pom mi dengan te pia la mi na. Ta pok kwa dengan tu no ta baba. Do ta pom mi dengan te pia la mi. Monica.
Monica Sales, right?
Monica Sale Mia. Monica Sales, right?
Yes. See? So you do remember me.
Me Natia. Aku no yamba di lo. Yes, see? So you do remember me.
Okay. So, where do you live now?
Me aku ni do. Ke no pele. Okay, so where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Ye ula hi polo. Do kweda I live in apartment. Do tele apartment ne kweda hi po no. Hi le kweda pa po ta bleu ple. Hi pa do ple do le ko pune ud bleu ple. Pa u se the bleu du ja ne po na.
Oh, do you live with your parents?
Oh, ne u do ne mo ne pa. Do tele parents ne kweda mo pa la na. Oh, do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
Ye mo pa le ula we clear law. No, my parents moved to the country.
Oh, they must be very happy there.
โอ้เอาไว้สิกระสูมือสาพุยเพนี่หรอ Oh they must be very happy there
Yes, they enjoy it very much.
แม่เอาไว้สิตามือบ่เอาเพนี่ดูมาหรอ Yes they enjoy it very much
So, do you live alone?
အခုနေနေဦးတကလား So do you live alone
No, I share the apartment with an old friend.
ယေအိုစကိုတော့ယေစကိုလော်လီတကလား Now I share the apartment with an old friend
Really? A friend?
မေယာစကိုအာ
Is he a boyfriend?
ဝဲမီနေတဲ့တော့ Is it a boyfriend
No, she's an old friend from school.
ဝဲမီစကိုလော်လီလေကျိုးတကလား Now she is an old friend from school
We've known each other for many years.
ပသိညာလို့တေပစာလဲအပူကွီတဘလူနီလီ We know each other for many years
How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
နာမ Bill နာအိုတလာဖဲလေ How about you Bill Where do you live
Oh, I rent an apartment. I'm by myself.
Oh ယေငါအိုဟီဖိုလာယေအိုဒါလေယေကဆာကလိုလာဒေါ်တလေ apartment เนี่ยแกดาฮิโพนะปะญะก็เลยฮิโพดออကွဲดาเลกะลวากลอ Oh I rent an apartment I'm by myself
Do you like it there?
นาโอแพနေမြာดอกลวากเลยนะ Do you like it there
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
เมภาษาตาตอกีนาลอดอตะเลตาตอกีนาเนี่ยตะเลนวาเซตาตอกีนาเนี่ยเอดอสิตาเนี่ยตาตอกินุกินาตาตอตะทรทรจันเนี่ยพอนะดออကွဲดาเลกะลวากลอ Yeah but it's kind of noisy
Oh, maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh ba te te ne krate ba o bu o ti do na ta pha la do awe da ta le awe complain ne ke da di ta le te pa o le ne khwa ti pa kham yam ma so da de te da si ma la si ma so da ta ke e ja ne po na do awe kwe da le kalwak do di na Oh maybe you should complain with your neighbors
Oh, no. I'm the one who makes the noise.
Oh တမင်ပါယေမေပွဲရကလည်းမကီနာတလားဒေါ်အကွဲတလည်းကလဝကလော Oh no I'm the one who make the noise